This 2021 Phoenix Cruiser Ford 2351D is a Class B RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Phoenix is 25 feet 0 inches in length and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2021 Phoenix Cruiser Ford 2351D and is powered by a Ford 7.3 LV8 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.